guys, I am Sola, or you should call me a flower titan. Boom. Because in my sketch, I made that sketch, flower titan. Boom. And it says, with flower power. And this grape is a weapon. If you take the grape off and throw it, it explodes it. If anybody, and then there's like a smoke in there, like a colorful pink smoke. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make flower titan masks. And even it'll be very cool and awesome because it'll be like a titan girl. So we'll need some paper. Then we'll need markers to make like a mask, like a cute mask. The same thing like that sketch. And then we'll use scissors to cut it off to make holes for your eyes. And it'll be so cute, like that. And then like to have like a cool makeup, you should use some pale of pink. And also you should use glue. And make sure if it's like very long, then you use glue to stick it together, just in case it won't be too big and long enough. It'll be very great. So let's do this. So we fold the paper like this, like I'm going to show. Then it's only 8 centimeters, and then you cut it off. So we only do 8 centimeters, and then we draw a mask. Might be a little bit difficult. Should be great, guys. So make sure you have someone who's used it that they can do it better. And also, make sure you put like a hole on it, like a big hole like this, just in case you can see what you're gonna do. This is gonna be a little bit difficult. Okay, and if it's like a little bit bigger, remember to use the glue to stick it up like I just did, just in case it's not too long. Like I just did this until it's like right there. Okay, and then we use scissors. It can be a bit difficult. And if you have like big ones, then ask adults for help. Now this is the mask that I just made, and it looks kind of small, but it looks great. And then you like fold it like that, like this. Or you should do like a little bit close, and comment down below if you think it's big or not, because it's kind of weird. Okay, now we'll use glues. But if you don't have glue, then we'll use glue sticks. Okay, might be a bit difficult because it's kind of sticky enough, but it looks great for the craft. Your mask with tape that I got from Santa. And now let's color it. And we need to use these colors just like how I did. Right there, see? Awesome and great. Okay, let's start coloring. And then you're working around the border of the yellow color, which is this. Because the yellow is the color of the sun. Now we start with the next shade of pink. And this pink one is so awesome and cute. Now we move to the next shade of pink, my favorite color. And then another pink will finish this mask. It'll be so fun. Now if you're finished coloring, you punch a hole. Okay, and same thing at that side. That's it. Then you'll use ribbon. so cute and nice color. Got the 12 inches of each side. It'll be 12. And who wants to have a mask without these? You need to make sure it'll be great for the mask. You tie ribbon in each side of the mask. And you have to make sure it's tight enough so that we can make sure it'll be nice and tighty enough. Now it's done, and we need to make sure we will need makeup, just like a pale of pink color. And we'll use this cute makeup bag that has shimmer that I got from Santa. Cute, isn't it? And let's try it on. Let's see how it is. Voila! This is a cute mask, isn't it? So pretty cute. I like this. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And make sure you smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Because right now I'll have high subscribers. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. And even I hope you really liked my mask. And I like this cute Titan girl. And also I'll have more options in the next video. Bye, and don't forget from the Asian designers. That's right.